here. There's plenty around here. All the TV here.
Wow.
There's a nice chair. Yeah. Oh, there's a nice chair.
Oh yeah, it's blue.
Sorry, mate.
No, look at it, it's come off.
Oh yeah, but it was a very nice chair a long time ago.
It is.
Yeah.
Dad, have a look at this one there.
Right?
Just remove this one, will you?
What's that?
Oh, it's broken.
Oh.
It need a bolt. Oh no, it's broken. It's a nice one. I like it. It's a nice one, guys, but it's broken. The armchair is broken. Sam, come over here. There's plenty of lots here, guys. There's a printer here, Dad. It's a printer. What is? Ah, it's a bed. And what else?
What the heck is blanket here?
Oh, there's a vacuum, Dad.
Oh, it just looks.
Yeah.
It looks just
Isn't
like
that look?
ours.
It might be.
The whole thing.
Huh?
Take the whole thing. Didn't have the cord cut.
No. Where's the cord? Sit.
Yeah, look, there's the end of it.
Oh yeah, somebody.
If you want it.
No, which? Oh, we need this one. This one, ba? Can we? We need this one. Look at this, guys. Ah, what is this? Eye blowers.
Yeah, it's taped up.
Yeah, what is that? See that one, guy? There's quite a few there. The bed and everything. There's a bed there, but we don't need that one. Yeah. Okay. So we're done here. And
Oh my God, something to show you.
what?
What is that?
I don't know. I don't know.
I'm gonna go now.
Yeah, we have to find another treasure.
Yeah.
Okay, this is our first stop. That there's plenty of stockpile here. So yeah.